Hello everyone, welcome to my First Timer series videos. This series features my first experience doing some DIY work to show you guys how much time it took me, a complete beginner, to complete the job, as well as what kind of problems I ran into, so you guys can avoid them when you do it. Today, we're unboxing the Quinn Master Technician tool set that I just got yesterday from Harbor Freight as my first tool set. I just started working on my car, doing some DIY fixes in my spare time since last December. And I got this tool cart this January so that I can have a space to hold my tools. Sadly, as you can see here, I pretty much don't have any tools except this tiny little Pittsburgh tool set that I got for a water pump replacement job. I'm gonna need more tools for sure if I want to do more complex projects. So I decided to get myself a complete tool set. After a while of searching, I set my mind on this Quinn Master Technician toolset because it seems to have met all of my requirements for a beginner toolset. My requirements for a beginner toolset are pretty simple. First, I want a complete set with no skipping sizes. Because I'm a complete beginner, I don't really know what tools I'm gonna need. And I don't want to get my job hanging just because I'm missing a tool. Second, it needs to be budget friendly. I only have a limited budget and I don't want to break my bank with my first tool set. Lastly, the tools needs to have decent quality with good warranty policies. This 428 pieces Master Technician tool set comes with plenty of tools, including 3 ratchets, 30 combination wrenches, 15 ratcheting wrenches, 12 screwdrivers, 251 shallow, deep, and bit sockets, and many extensions, adapters, and screwdriver bits. I've compiled the content of this toolset into this spreadsheet so you can easily see what this toolset offers to decide if it meets your needs. I also put a link to the spreadsheet in the description down below so you can access the spreadsheet later. This toolset should have way more than enough tools to kick off my DIY projects. Next, this toolset is somewhat budget friendly. The whole set is priced at $400. Harbor Freight will occasionally have sales that brings it down to $350. I got this tool set with a 20% off coupon that brings it down to $320 before tax. Quality-wise, this Quinn brand is placed between Pittsburgh and Icon. It's expected to have similar quality compared to Pittsburgh Pro and Cobalt. I don't know how well this tool set can hold up to professional use, but it should work well for a beginner DIYer like me. In addition, this toolset comes with a great lifetime hassle-free replacement policy, meaning that if at any time anything breaks, you can bring them back to Harbor Freight store and get a replacement right on the spot. Given this, I most likely won't need to get any new tools as a DIYer for years to come. Unless if I want to get a little fancier, if you know what I mean. Now let's talk about disadvantages. The first disadvantage about this toolset is that it might contain way more sockets than you ever need, especially the 12-point sockets. I definitely will use the 6-point sockets whenever I can, and I don't think I get much use out of the 12-point sockets. Also, this toolset doesn't come with pliers, so you will need to get those separately. Finally, this toolset doesn't come with a carrying case. You will need to get your own toolbox and organizer to store the tools. Let's look at what's inside of this box we got here. It looks like we have 6 small boxes labeled from 1/6 to 6/6 inside of the big box. Now let's take a look at what's inside of the small boxes. Whoa, do you guys see that? That's a lot of tools. Let's start putting them into my empty tool cart. Alright, let's take a look at my toolbox with all the tools in there. On the top compartment, I have all the 6-point sockets, extensions, adapters, and ratchets, because I think these are the things that I'm gonna use the most on my car projects. We'll see about that. Here in the top drawer, I squeezed in all my screwdrivers and pliers so they don't roll around. Here in this big drawer, I have all the bits and 12-point sockets. I really don't know how often I'm gonna use these bits and 12-point sockets, so I may consider removing them to save some room for future tools. This drawer stores all the hex keys and driver bits. I'm not sure how often I'm gonna use them either. Here comes my other favorite drawer. I think I'm gonna use my sockets and ratchets most of the time, but these can come really handy in tight spaces. Here is an empty drawer, which is a good thing, because this means I have extra room for more tools. Hooray! Alright, it's time to conclude this video. Here is my final verdict of this toolset. This Master Technician toolset contains so many pieces of tools that some of which you might never ever need to use. So who is this toolset for? I think this toolset is perfect for people like me who don't have any tools to begin with, but are determined and passionate about working on their cars enough to own a tool storage or tool cart to hold their tools. Do I think this toolset is worth it? Well, at least for now, I'm very happy seeing what I got in this set, and I think it's definitely worth the money, because it pretty much has everything I can think of, again, as a beginner, to work on my car projects. As for quality, just by the look of them, they look pretty solid to me. But because I haven't used them yet, I really can't speak for them. However, I've looked up reviews of Quinn brand before I got this set, and people generally seem to be very satisfied with Quinn's quality after using them for a while. Also, even if something did break, with the lifetime hassle-free warranty policy, I don't need to worry about having to look for a single piece replacement or buy another whole set just to replace that one broken piece. I'm going to use this set on a couple of car projects throughout the year, and I'll make another video later this year about which tools that I've used the most from this tool set, as well as how well they hold up for me for the jobs that I complete. For those enthusiasts who are not committed to getting a tool storage, or simply want a complete tool set that they can carry around, Harbor Freight also offers this Pittsburgh 301 pieces mechanics toolkit for $200. This toolset also comes with a lot of tools, and it comes with a carrying case. I got this toolset to put in my project truck when I finish working on it and is road ready. I think this Pittsburgh set will be great for roadside assistance or to take with you when you go to the junkyard to pull parts. I'll do another open box video on this Pittsburgh 301 pieces mechanics toolkit. I compare this set with the Quinn Technician toolset to help you decide which toolset is the best for you, so stay tuned. If you like the content of this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to see more content like this. I see you next time!